Start by powering down the unit and isolating the air handler before you touch anything. Access the blower compartment by switching off the breaker at the main panel and verifying no voltage with a non-contact tester at the service disconnect. Remove the access panel screws and carefully slide the panel away so you can reach the capacitor mounted near the blower motor. Visually inspect the capacitor can for bulging, leaking, corrosion at the terminals, or any burn marks on the wiring. Those signs mean replacement. If terminals look clean, label and disconnect the 3 motor-run wires using insulated needle nose pliers. Then short the capacitor briefly with an insulated screwdriver to bleed remaining charge so it is safe to handle. Set a capacitance meter or a multimeter with a capacitance function to the correct range. Connect the meter leads to the corresponding terminals one at a time, and compare the measured microfarad value to the value printed on the capacitor can with a tolerance rating. A reading outside the tolerance or a reading of near zero indicates failure. If you do not have a meter, a simple motor start symptom check is to swap with a known good capacitor of the same values or temporarily bench test the capacitor, but best practice is to measure and replace rather than guess. Common mistakes include working on the unit without fully removing live power, which risks shock and damage, so always verify zero voltage before proceeding. Another frequent error is relying on visual inspection alone because a capacitor can look normal yet be out of specification. Confirm with a capacitance measurement and replace if readings are out of tolerance. Finally, people often replace the capacitor with the wrong microfarad or voltage rating, which can quickly damage the motor. Match the exact values printed on the old capacitor and use the same or higher voltage rating and equal microfarad value within tolerance when installing a replacement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss projects and troubleshooting tips with other homeowners. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, post services, and respond to homeowner questions in our discussion community.